Safety glasses should always be worn in the shop, whether you are welding or not. The jacket, which they are putting on now, prevents sparks from catching your clothing on fire and also keeps your arms from getting burned. The gloves, they shield your hands and they protect your hands from the sharp part of the metal as well. And most importantly, the helmet protects your face, neck, eyes, and keeps your hair from catching on fire. This is an example of what not to wear. Sweatpants, slippers, which could easily catch fire and do not offer proper protection. A sweatshirt could offer protection, but it is recommended to wear the welding jackets that are provided.
I'm now going to demonstrate how to set up an arc welder. First, you set your amperage to your standard setting where you want it, and then you take your ground clamp and clamp it to the piece that you're going to be welding on, and then you take your clamp and you put your rod in there, and then you're ready to weld. Put your helmet on first, though.
Which means it darkens when the weld bead is right.
I just got done welding this piece of metal. Now I need to cool it and chip the slag. So I'm going to dump it in this bucket of water and cool it. That's how you do it.
This is an example of chipping the slag. Make sure you chip it away from your body so the chips don't hit you.
Also, use your vice grips as the metal will still be hot. This is a grinder. We need to grind the paint and the dirt off the metal so we have a clean surface to weld on. And when you're grinding, make sure you direct your sparks away from people and other flammable objects so you don't start a shop fire. And always wear your safety glasses. But you shouldn't wear gloves because they can get sucked up in the grinder and rip your fingers off.
Not yet. Get back out. Get back out.
We're now going to show you how to set up the MIG welder. First, you need to take off your cap off your tank, and then set it somewhere close so you know where it is when your tank goes out. Now we're putting on a regulator. Make sure you get it nice and tight. Let's reach socks. Okay, now your gas bottle is all ready to go. Plug in the cord to your wall, and you take your ground lead and you clamp it to whatever you plan to weld to. And then turn on the welder. You make your setting, you adjust your settings to where you need them for your piece of metal that you're welding. You need to open your gas valve all the way open, and then this gauge is your bottle pressure, so you know how much pressure you have left in the bottle. And this bottle is clear full, so. And then this is your working pressure, the pressure that you have to your nozzle. You want to adjust that to 20. And then you're ready to weld. When you start to weld, make sure you have your ground clamp on your actual metal for a better ground. Ready? Still recording? You should get it closer. Here, go close.
This is an example of the unsafe welding table. You have wood table with sawdust, a padded flammable substance, and this furry thing, which is also very flammable and can cause a shot fire. You don't want a shot fire.
I'm Mr. Fonts, and I approve this message.
Turn it on.
Yeah, you gotta turn it on.
Kyle's
Take that
using an
part out.
auto-darkening helmet.
Ready?
Yeah.
I have like look down, because otherwise it looks like I'm like. Oh, it's recording.
No, what is this called?
I don't know the rest of the words.
What do you?
Something taller.
Are you recording all this? Oh, I'm not even in the video. Oh, I don't know these words.